In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a theme in Power BI using its built-in options. Whether you're new to Power BI or just looking to enhance your reports, customizing a theme can dramatically improve both the visual appeal and the readability of your data presentations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tailor your reports to perfectly suit your needs. To get started, open Power BI Desktop. Navigate to the top of the screen and locate the View ribbon, often referred to as the View tab. This is your gateway to numerous customization options. Within this tab, focus on the Themes section, which is prominently displayed. Clicking on Themes will reveal a drop-down menu, showcasing a variety of built-in themes you can choose from. Selecting one of these can instantly change the look of your report. However, if you want more control over the design and aesthetics, you might opt to further personalize by choosing to customize the current theme. Once you select this option, you'll be presented with the Customize dialog box. It's in this space that you can start making your theme uniquely yours. Within the dialog, you'll notice several sections that allow you to tweak different aspects of your report's appearance. Let's delve deeper into these sections one by one. The Colors section offers you the ability to adjust data colors and accents, allowing you to highlight specific elements of your report or align the colors with your brand's palette. This is especially useful if you're preparing reports for a particular audience or stakeholder and need to ensure the design aligns with their expectations. Next, you'll find the Text section, where you can manipulate font sizes and font families, not just for titles, but also for labels. Tailoring the typography can make a significant difference, both in the report's aesthetics and in ensuring information is easily digestible. Selecting clear, legible font styles and appropriate sizes helps maintain consistency across your report's pages. Finally, there's the Page or Background settings. Here, you can set how the background of your pages looks. Choosing the right colors or images for backgrounds can set the tone for your entire report, whether it's to maintain a professional look or to create a more engaging visual experience. After tweaking these settings to your satisfaction, it's crucial to save your customized theme. Doing so will not only preserve your hard work, but also provide you with a template you can apply to future reports, ensuring consistency and saving you time. And there you have it. You've successfully customized a theme in Power BI Desktop. Practice these steps, and soon you'll be crafting stunning, personalized reports that communicate your data story powerfully and effectively. Happy reporting!